Hi guys, I'm going to try to be as quick as possible and as honest as possible in my review. This is a review for VAL CUCINA. I think it's like infrared, whatever, induction oven. Overall, I am very happy with it. It's going to get a 4.5 stars from me, almost a 5-star. And I'm going to go over the reasons why I think it could have done better, and it could. So hopefully someone from their company is listening to the reviews and takes it into consideration. I do love the accessories that it comes with. It comes with a basket, it comes with a tray, it comes with a standard grill, and then a catching tray here, particularly useful for toast and anything else that might leave crumbs. It is very spacious. It does fit in, you know, on a countertop setting. As you can see, I have like a standard countertop. I have used it so far a lot, just cooked, so I'm sorry if it's like super dirty, but y'all can see I used it. So the reason why it's a 4.5 star for me, it does have a couple of issues. Let's say issues, yes. The toast option, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean. If you just want to toast one slice, you do have to wait about almost 5 minutes on it, and that's quite some time. I'm not used to this because this came to replace actually just a toaster, and I was drawn to the idea of having something where I can cook multiple things if I wanted to. So I replaced the standard toaster, and I never waited 4 minutes for a slice to come out. So yeah, that was quite a shock for me. Does the slice of bread come out really amazing in the end? Yes, it does, but just be prepared to wait almost 5 minutes for one slice. So I'm going to show you guys. It is set up for one slice. If I click start, you guys can see it starts at 4 minutes 40 seconds. So that's on just one slice, and it goes about 5 minutes, above five minutes for 2 slices. So keep that in mind. So I wouldn't just use it as a toaster for one slice. I would take advantage of it and put, you know, a few slices in there. Other than that, the other issue that I have is, if you guys can see, it does have some stains at the corners. I have condensation coming out right here by the door. The first use, it kind of freaked me out a little bit. I'm not sure if this is just my unit, if anyone else has experienced this or not, or if it's just me. I don't think it's going to do anything bad to my unit, or I didn't notice that it cooked any less quality because of that, but it does have release in the corners here. And then the third thing, man, this color is really bright. I mean, it looks a little bit different in the pictures, but I didn't realize how bright it was. I didn't pick it. It was my husband. We have to keep the guy happy. He wanted, you know, something more bright in our kitchen, and it is bright. Do I recommend this color? No, not at all. It is atrocious in my opinion. I would have went for something, you know, to match my other appliances in here, but you know, that's my opinion. It's a matter of taste. It doesn't reduce the quality of the product at all. Overall, I'm keeping this. I'm very happy with it. Would I recommend it? Yes. Hopefully no one else has the issue with the release of condensation at the corners. And if you guys can get past, you know, waiting a long time for your toast, then recommend it.
So it's one of the most beautiful colors I've ever seen in my life. I got it for myself as a Christmas gift to replace the air fryer. Well, this was not an air fryer, it was a conventional oven that I had for years from Breville. And I'm really shocked because it's just absolutely amazing. And I never thought it would have so many settings, way more than the conventional smart oven that I had before. It's just outstanding. Everything I cook in it these past 2 days, it's easy to clean. It's just an amazing product. I got it for a deal, and I hope that everybody can get their hands on it. I have a pink kitchen, so it goes perfect with my vibe. Thank you, and have a blessed time when you receive yours.
We have had this for a few months, and I love it so much, except where the condensation builds up. Usually it's in like the dehydrate setting, or right now it's just in the bake setting. But where this condensation builds up, the paint is coming off. And I'm really bummed because I really love this thing. So, kind of sad.
Why cook with 10 appliances when this one does it all? This air fryer toaster oven is amazing! Air fry, bake, toast, you name it. We use it twice a day, and everything turns out perfectly crispy and so delicious. It's fast, super easy to use, and looks incredible in our modern farmhouse kitchen. Seriously, get one. You'll love it.
This is very hot. No, are warm.